Good morning, students. Today we have solved some questions which are based on complementary angles. Such questions are: find the angle which is equal to its complement. Let the angle be x. According to questions, angle equals to complement. Angle equals to complement. Then angle equal to x and complement equal to 90 minus x. Then x goes to x. Then x plus x equals to 90 degree. 2x equal to 90 degree. Then x equals to 45 degree. So the questions then the angle equals to 45 degree. Clear, students? Some questions, find the angle, find the complement whose angles are 40 degree. So its complement be 90 minus 40 equal to 50 degree. Find the angle which is the supplement of, find the angle, find the supplement of 140 degree. So supplement, I taught you in a later video, supplement equals to 180 minus 150 equal to 40 degree. Clear, students? The next topic is parallel lines. What are parallel lines? Parallel lines, two or more lines which are extended in its own direction. Two or more lines which are extended in its own direction and they never intersect. These lines are called parallel lines. Such examples are railway track. Railway track is an example of parallel lines. Clear, students? Here another example and another example. L and M, these are two lines which are extended in its own direction, and they never intersect. So L and M is known as parallel lines. Clear, students? The next topic is transversal line. Transversal line. Transversal line. A line which intersect two or more parallel lines at different points, then this line is known as transversal line. Here L and M are two parallel lines and T is a transversal line which intersect L and M at O and P point. Clear, students? When a transversal line intersects two parallel lines at different points, then what happen? Only three facts about these lines. When a transversal line, I teach you at next topic. When a transversal line intersect two parallel lines, then first thing, corresponding angles are equal. Here L and M is two parallel lines and T is a transversal line, then angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. Angle 1 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 8, angle 2 and angle 6 and angle 3 and angle 7 are the pairs of corresponding angle. These are equals. Angle 1 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 8, angle 2 and angle 6 and angle 3 and angle 7. These are corresponding angles and these are equal. Clear, students? Angle 1 equals to angle 5, angle 4 equals to angle 8, angle 2 equal to angle 6 and angle 3 equal to angle 7. Clear, students? Next, alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. L and M are parallel lines. T is a transversal line. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, 6, angle 7, angle 8. It says that alternate interior angles are equal. So angle 3 equals to angle 5 and angle 4 equals to angle 6. These are alternate interior angle. Angle 3 equals to angle 5, angle 4 equals to angle 6. These are alternate interior angles. And the last facts about parallel lines is that the sum of angles of the sum of interior angles of the sum of interior angles of the sum of interior angles of one side of a transversal line is equal to 180 degree. In other words, we say that the sum of co-interior angles is equal to 180 degree. Clear, students? These are parallel lines and T is a transversal line. The sum of co-interior angles says that the sum of angle 3 and angle 6 equals to 180 degree. The sum of angle 4 and angle 5 equals to 180 degree. Clear, students? You have solved more and more questions about these facts. Clear, students? In next video, we have solved some questions which are based on parallel lines and transversal line. Okay? Bye.